Recently, a student asked me, Sir, you're a doctor, specialist, and then you left medicine, then you flew aeroplanes. Now you started taking ground classes for student pilots, and your academy is very successful. What's your secret? I never really thought about it, but I think I can put it this way. For example, if I wanted a six pack and I join a gym, 95% are the chances that I will stop going to gym in next 10 to 15 days. Then after a few months again, I feel like having a six pack again and then I go to gym. 10 to 15 days, boom, I stop going. This happened to me once in 2018. I went to a gym. I stick with it for 1.5 year. I came very close to having a six pack. My tummy was really flat and this is how I looked. Why did I stick to the gym this time? It is because I felt very comfortable with the trainer. He was cool and we were like friends. We had a great rapport. He was a very good support. This gym is located in Gurgaon and I once left Gurgaon to move to Hyderabad. I left the gym also and now my fat tummy is back. I tried joining many gyms but it did not work out. If you take this goal of mine, having a six pack, it is not very important to me. But if you take the goal of me becoming a pilot, flying an aeroplane, enjoying the skies, it is very important to me. It is so important that whether I have a good instructor or not, it should not matter to me. I never really had someone who is a pilot to guide me. All I had was a school friend of mine who gave me a very good moral support. How did I persist to work hard for a long time and make my dreams come true? Like I quit on going to gym, I did not quit on becoming a pilot. I did not quit on establishing my own aviation academy by the way, which is running very successfully. Students are happy, so am I. How did I do it? This is very personal to me and you can call it my style of doing things. If something is very important to me, on a scale of 1 to 10, the importance level is 10. If I have one wish before I die, that would be to fly an aircraft. Flying was that important to me. So I made a small tattoo of an aircraft on my wrist. I see it every day throughout the day. It keeps reminding me of my goal. And when you really want something, all the universe conspires in helping you to achieve it. Believe me, it does.